Hi, in the last lecture, we talked about the basic structure of a website that we hear in Hello World file. Now, in this lecture, we make a structure from scratch. For this, go to File and make a new file in Web Development and in subfolder HTML file. I simply Ctrl S and name it first web page.html. I make a file name firstwebpage.html and here you can see our first web page file is created. Now click on it. So there is nothing in the browser because we have not write anything here. So first I make a first tag, call it HTML. That is our tag that used for HTML content. Now in HTML tag, first tag we use is head tag. Simply I close it. Every open tag has a close tag that we talked about in last lectures. After head tags, we made a simple body tag. Here I make a tags. The first tag is HTML, that is the parent tag of all this. Now there is a head tag and after the head tag there is a body tag. So first you can control save, control S and this save this web page and refresh it. There is nothing here because we do not have any content in this editor. So first I simply write it hello and save it for control S and here I refresh it so you can see hello is printed here. You see, you notice I have no meta tags here because that is not necessary for this time. In the future lectures we talk about more details. So first you see here first webpage.html in tab, that is the file name of this. If I write here title tag is used for tab title. So I write here hello and simply control S. You notice here anything changed yet. In tab you see hello because I write in title hello. You can anything in the title tags. So we end this lecture here. This is the basic tag from scratch. Now in the next lectures we more about headings, paragraphs, images, links, and here we go. Thanks for watching.